Sorry guys, yes.
Oh, it's cool, Toby.
Back to main menu. I'm just gonna wait you for. Bro, project. I
Tapos
want
na?
a present.
Project I want.
Bro, did we just? Bro. Let's go try normal now. Bro, can it even pick the normal mode? We don't have a second camera, so you can't see Rainiel's one. That Rainiel have a tiny dick, and everybody knows that.
No.
I know. Rainiel have a tiny dick. And he's so jealous about it.
He farted in my face.
Bro, when will this start?
Mabait pala kapag nagbe-video ka may lumalabas na puti na ganyan.
Wala. Rainiel, guess mo anong drawing ko. Si sakit sa head siya. Uy! What's your move?
Ano bang kailangan?
Bro, wait me! Wait me! Wait me! Oh, hindi mo ako.
Ano ba yung kailangan mo gawin dito?
Yung jump ay ito. Teka, saan yung jump? Ay, ito. A, jump yan. A. Parkour. Parkour.
Ano yung B na to? Ano yung B ginagawa ng B?
B? Hindi ko alam.
Uy, nagpapashockwave oh. Diba? Parang gumulong. I died.
I know how to get.
Game over na agad ako.
Bro, your fart is so smelly. Naihi ka?
Hindi.
Bro, your fart.
Na. Tingnan namin. Paano Toby? Paano mo ginawa yan? Paano ba nag... Magaling ako dito, Toby.
Bro, you little bad.
Paano? Ang hirap naman dito eh. Ay! Wait, ganito, Toby. Oh, ganito. Ganito, Toby. Toby. Ay.
Bro, wait, I can't use the jump button. Like, what the fuck? Don't use jump. Bro, I can't use jump.
Ay, hintayin
I
natin.
can't use jump.
Hintayin natin silang tanggalin nila ito. Bakit ako namatay?
Ayun ko na.
Oh,
Yes! Sweet.
give na tayo.
What was that for? Like, why I can't jump?